ladies, my name is Eve. I am a home-based wig maker and welcome to my channel. So today I actually attempted to install this frontal wig and I think I did quite well for someone who's not very experienced with frontal wigs. So if you want to see how I achieved this entire look, please do stay tuned. And if you are not subscribed, girl, why are you not subscribed? Like, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. And please do let me know if you would like to see any type of content, specific content. I am still new to, not really new to this YouTube thing, but I haven't like really taken it serious. And I do want to like kind of take it serious and make more content for you guys. So please do comment down below. Also let me know, how do you think I did, guys, on this beautiful, I have been having this wig for quite a while actually, and I never like, I just used to just wear it as a closure wig, not closure wig, like as a middle part. Like I never even bothered to customize it and whatnot. But now that I have customized it, I'm actually so in love with it, guys. Like, I am so in love. I hope you guys love it as well. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned. So I do have an old wig over here that I never like really customized it. So today I actually want to wear it. I will be shooting my e-tutorials. If you don't know about the e-tutorials, basically it's tutorials that I'll be having on my website for sale, that help guide people who are interested in learning how to make wigs, how to revamp wigs. So it will be a series of tutorials. Yes, so right now I want to wear the wig while I am recording for that particular tutorial. However, I am shooting this particular video for my YouTube, which is obviously what you are watching right now. So I did previously bleach the knots of this frontal wig. So I still need to pluck. So I am going to pluck, and then I am going to install. I'm going to attempt to install. I'm going to pluck style and then attempt to install this wig. I am not a very good, not necessarily good, but I can't say that I am very good at installing frontal wigs. I don't have much of an experience, but I do watch videos online. However, when it comes to plucking and customizing, yes, I do that even for my own clients. So yeah, and a lot of my clients, not just clients, people on TikTok as well, Instagram, and then WhatsApp have been asking me to make a video, like an installation video. So yeah, I will attempt to do that today. I don't know how it's going to go, guys, because like I said, I don't have much of an experience when it comes to installing a frontal wig. So yeah, I am going to pluck this frontal. I just want you guys to see how it looks right now. It doesn't look polished. It doesn't look like, it's just like how you usually get your frontal. Oh, so I just finished plucking. As you can see, the hairline is a bit thinner now. So I am going to go ahead and customize and style the frontal, guys. She's ready, guys. I'm just gonna take a quick shower and then I will attempt to install. I can't wait. Okay, so guys, I'm back. I just took a shower. I'm ready to get started. Before I start, let me just say I have no idea what I'm about to do. Let's just see how it's going to go. Okay, so as you can see, the wig is nice and ready. I did decide to straighten it. I don't want some curls today. Also, my hair is already braided down. I'm like really not a fan of wig caps, like under the wig. So I'm basically just going to put on the wig and then I will literally just put it on, and I won't be using any cap or any sort of extra enhancement. Okay, so this is the wig. It's ready. Something that I usually see other people do before they put on a wig is they powder it, like the bottom, sorry, on the inside. The English, guys, don't come at me. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder. Also, can I tell you guys that I don't have a mirror except the one that's in my bathroom? Like, what kind of girl am I? Like, literally the only mirror I have is the one in the bathroom. So basically I will be using my small mirror. So I'm just patting. I'm just adding the powder. Like, I don't know if this makes any difference, guys, because another thing, this lace is actually like the perfect color for my skin. So I'm not gonna take too long, basically. And okay, off to a weird start. Oh my god. So this is what we are looking at, guys, which is not bad. I feel like customizing first, it actually helps. It also lessens the job. I am going to switch on my hot comb in case I need it. Ooh. Wow, guys, it looks already put together, yes. I can imagine if I had an elastic band on this wig. I actually just removed the elastic band because I had to fix up this wig, guys, because it wasn't like, it was a little bit big. And then I also saw this other method on TikTok where you cut on the sides and then sew it back on so that it can have this nice, almost like glueless effect. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, I am going to start on the side here. I think this is how I want the wig to sit. I feel like I did over bleach the knots a little bit, but there's no time to fix that right now. So I have my Got2b spray. Guys, this is literally the only thing that I'll be using. I am not a guru when it comes to installs, and I'm going to use this as a, I don't know what you guys call it. So anyways, let's get started. Don't mind me looking down. I'm just looking down because I'm using my my mirror, because this is the only mirror I have. So I'm gonna start on the side. So I'm gonna start with my first layer. Another thing that I always hear, oh my god, Another thing that I always hear about these glues, guys, avoid putting them on your hair because they will ruin your edges. So I'm just spreading the first layer and then I'm gonna allow it to air dry. Actually, I should use a blow dryer. So that's my first layer, guys. Does the internet. I'm so in love with how it looks already, like the way I customized it. It's not looking bad at all. It's gonna make it like so easy even. So I suggest that before you start with your wig, before you glue it on, make sure that you nicely customize it. But let me not talk too much. Let's see how this is going to turn out first before I start preaching like I know what I'm doing. So there's this girl that I was watching, like literally last night I was watching videos of people who are installing their wigs, and I was just taking like tips from them on how they install and everything. And one thing that the other lady said, I think it's Black Pearl, she said something about, oh my god, did I just forget what she said? I forgot what she said. If I remember it, I'll say it again. But there was a lot of tips that were given about installing. Oh yeah, that your skin needs to be clean, like super clean. So I did just wash my face. I don't have rubbing alcohol either, so I will be using, I don't know. So that's like my third layer, guys. It is starting to get tacky a little bit. Oh my god, how is this going to be? So if you are someone who doesn't like, for instance, I know for a fact that I'm not gonna be keeping this for long. I will definitely be taking it out later today because I'm not a fan of sleeping on with my wigs. So I definitely will be removing this tonight. So if you are someone who the glue is tacky, guys, hence I am now applying it on. So if you are someone who wants to keep it longer, I would suggest that you use they call it what, a ghost bond. All these fancy names, guys. I suggest that you use a ghost bond. Okay, so I am just spraying right now and just don't mind the mess, the excess glue. I will definitely wipe that off when I'm done. I prefer doing it that way. So yeah, that is the first. Oh yes, another thing that she said if you are someone who's still starting off, as you can see, I'm going to be doing it in 3 different layers. So I'll be doing this side, and then I'll move on to the middle, and then I'll do this side. So she said if you are someone who is starting off, just do it that way. That way it's going to be easier instead of doing it in 2 different sections. This side is being stubborn. Why are you being stubborn? I feel like I didn't add enough layers, guys. And I'm struggling over here. I'm struggling because of this mirror. So let me just put it here. Don't mind me. I am looking this way because I just want to see what I'm doing. I am using the mirror to kind of like see what's going on. This mirror is not doing what it's supposed to do, guys. Definitely need to get a mirror. Okay. Okay, so this part is fine. I still definitely need to still glue on the flap here. It's still moving. Oh my gosh, this is a mess, guys. What did I get myself into? This is a mess, like. If this turns out fine, it's going to be a miracle. Because I have no clue, guys, what I'm doing right now. This part is like intact, as you can see, but I still obviously need to lay it down. I'm still gonna apply another layer when I'm done. Yo guys, this is a mess. This is a mess. I think I'm gonna need my hair dryer. I swear to God, if I pull this off, guys, I'm gonna be a queen. I'm gonna be a queen of installs if I pull this off. You know when they say you must be faithful, you must have faith. This is what they mean, guys. So I am moving on to the second section. It's definitely going to be a miracle. I feel like the lighting is much better here. So that was the first layer. Oh my God. I feel like in 2 years time in 2 years time I will definitely be better at wig installs, because this is like not my first attempt, but I think this is like my beginner's stage. So I know for a fact that in 2 years time you guys are gonna be calling me the lace queen of lace. You feel me? Oh my God. And I will be watching this video and I will be like, what the fuck, girl? What was you doing? Girl, what was you doing? Like, for real? What the fuck is that? it, guys, but it's kind of like blending. Like, guys, this lace is dope, and I like the fact that it matches my skin. Like, it's blending so well with my skin, and it's not looking bad at all. So guys, we are moving on to the last part. Everything is nice and secure. I don't know what's going on here, but I think I just need to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, this definitely needs some cleaning up. But anyways, it's blending so well, guys. Like, the way that you see it, it's actually like that in my mirror. So I don't know in real life, guys, because I noticed something. No matter how much people can lie and say white lace and all that, it's lace, guys. It will always show. It's not gonna be like skin, like entirely. Like, don't let people deceive you. Don't let people deceive you. But I also think using a small mirror helps. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I even forgot how many layers I'm doing. I think 3 layers is fine. Ooh, it's a band, guys. I guess that's why they call it frizz spray. Second layer. Last layer, guys, and then we are going to I'm gonna remember this day. It's such a mess. Oh my god, I should get my cotton buds. I wanna get one first. This life is for the ghetto. This life. Child, the day that I look at this video and ibesana ilace yam ngoko, who is a lace guru? Who do I feel like always has their lace melts in these Instagram streets? Jengo Chrissy Bale. Is it Chrissy Bale or something? I feel like using a mirror helps, guys. Like, you can see everything in more detail. I said to, but I know so it's a mess. We are going to clean this mess up. Siqalise inxanathisele sibone uba izasisaphi. I want to show you guys like a realistic how it looks like, you see. it's quite a mess. So I am going to add like a last like nice layer so I can lay it down like for 15 minutes, they say. This is for that extra support, guys. We'll clean up the mess once I am back. Oh, Swelly M, guys. I always watch her videos. All these Instagram people. I always watch their videos and just bonus and as in Esana. Child. Sunday straighten it, Shilasana. I am not going to straighten it again. So I'm gonna wait. Like it's not tight enough. Oh. So let me just bring it back. Because I don't have rubbing alcohol, I will be using like water and soap. Apparently that works as well. So I just have to be like super careful with it. So I will be back after 15 minutes, guys, when I'm removing this. Oh, it's so tight. Yeah, and I'll show you how this is. Yeah, so I'm back, guys, and while I was away, I was just trying to find something in the house that I can use to remove this mess over here. So I do have an antifreeze spray, so apparently it's gonna work fine because it does have alcohol. Ooh. So I'm using this towel because I left my cotton buds at my boyfriend's place. So yeah, I am going to be using the antifreeze spray. Let's see if it's gonna work. I think I fucked up. Okay, messed up, guys. It's coming off. Yeah, it is coming out. Thank God. I hope it's not gonna mess up my skin because, as you guys can see, my skin, it's especially the forehead. Skin is always just showing me flames. It's working. Can you guys see? It's actually working. However, I feel like this part over here is over bleached, which I will have to fix that at a later stage because I have to get dye and. But overall, I think this was a success, guys. This was definitely a success. It looks very nice. And this antifreeze spray is also like, it's cleaning up very well. I'm surprised. Ooh, I'm surprised. Ooh. Yeah, I think this was a success, guys. As you can see, it was definitely a success. For a first try, this is definitely not bad, guys. It's not bad at all. However, all my experts or the ones who have experience in what I'm doing right now, please do comment and give me like some tips. I also feel like I was not exactly prepared, like in terms of products for this, but guys, I'm loving it. I'm loving how it turns out. I think this is not bad at all for a first time. I can even tie it back if I like, but I still need to like add some makeup, I believe, on it, just to give it like a more blended look. Oh my god, that just lifted. I'm gonna have to add. What do you guys think? Look at this one. I need to fix the over bleached knots. As you can see, that is not supposed to be like that. So I don't know if I should try to add some baby hairs. Maybe I always see people doing baby hairs, but that would be for someone who's starting out. I think I should just leave the baby hairs for now. But I don't think I did bad for my first time. Please let me know what you guys think. Over here, I do need to add some makeup, guys, because just to add it to make it blend even better. So let me go ahead and put on some makeup and I will be right back. Definitely getting more frontals, guys. I am definitely getting more frontals. I'm loving how this turned out, and I'm ready to learn more about frontals, like to spend more time just to learn how to make my wigs like proper vibes. I'm ready to learn, guys. I am going to put a mascara over there just to conceal a little bit the over bleached knots, but I will obviously later on. It's not tangling, never. So this is the final look, guys. I think I did well. I also did put some mascara over here just to conceal the over bleached knots, but guys, overall I am so in love with how this wig looks. I think I'm going to be wearing frontals more often now. Like why not? If I can pull this off with just Got2b spray, like why not, guys? Anyways, please do engage with all my videos. Like, comment, and do subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok. You can also WhatsApp me. I am a wig maker, so if you want any wig making services, please do hit me up. That's like my hustle, guys, so please do support your girl. And if you have been on my channel for a while, thank you so much for being part of my family, part of the queendom. And I'll see you guys in another video.